Amir was a rich young man who came to see the wise man at the Oasis one day. He had gained his riches through many years of hard work. Yet, he felt an unending emptiness amidst splendor. He said to the wise man, "I have journeyed far and wide, I am wealthy, but I can't find peace within me. What should I do to have peace that will last?" The wise man smiled back at him. "Let me tell you a story. There was once a young merchant, just like yourself, who had come here in search of enlightenment," said the wise man. "This guy too had great wealth, yet without peace. He sat in this place and saw the beauty of nature and how quiet it was. 'If only I could make such a thing in my home,' he said to himself, 'then I would be able to achieve peace.' And so he spent a great deal of money trying to replicate the oasis in his estate. He made a place of total comfort and calmness where one can relax. He got no relief from anxiety. He had everything at his disposal except peace from within. He sought comfort through external luxuries but found none. So, does money bring ease and not peace? Ease is a state of physical comfort, a temporary relief from hardship. It can be bought with wealth and enjoyed for a while. But true peace is a profound sense of tranquility and fulfillment that comes from within. It cannot be purchased, but can be gained by working on oneself. What do I need to do in order to find this inner peace? Amir wondered. The wise man answered, "Strive to understand yourself. Meditate deeply on who you are, and always give thanks for your existence. Stop trying to get more all the time when you could really focus on what you have now. Don't hold on to what you can't control, but accept what is." Again, understand that true wealth lies not in gold, but in the richness of human connection, positive relationships, and the beauty of the world around you. And finally, learn how to let go of pains and develop forgiveness as a way of releasing yourself from past emotional baggage. And according to Richard M. DeVos, money cannot buy peace of mind. It cannot heal ruptured relationships or build meaning into a life that has none. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable contents. Do well to write what stood out for you from this video in the comment section. See you in the next video. Think life. Think Oasis.